Hello, welcome to my costume layer at work. Today I am working on finishing up the witch's transformation robe thing. I took apart an old kind of like witch, cheesy Halloween witch dress type thing, and I took it apart and I took the sleeves and I added them to her cape so that she'll have sleeves because she needs sleeves because she has to use her arms. And then I took the back piece and I am adding that to the front of the cape. So I sewed down one side and then the other side I'm going to attach with snaps so that when she does her transformation, she can just unsnap it and be able to get out of the robe quickly. So that's what I'm up to right now. I am taking this cape, which I really like because it has a really cool print on the back. It's got like a tree, and I'm going to use it for the witch, but it's not lined. So I have this other cape that's just black and it's just a thin polyester, but I think I'm going to use that cape to line this cape. It was a full face mask, so I cut it just around the cheeks and around the nose, and so it's more like a half mask, and it's got this wig attached. I sewed the gray wig onto the mask and I think it's looking really good. And here is her robe. You can barely see it. I'm going to hang it up and I'll show what it looks like once I get the snaps put on. So I'm putting the snaps on right now. Also wearing my fairly tolerable t-shirt. I gathered this top edge a little bit and I put snaps on. I put 3 snaps on. One up here and then 2 further down. I think I'm still going to do one more lower, but I want to test it on her first. And so, because I want this to be easy to get in and out of, and I figure for most of the show, before the transformation, she'll tie it closed, and then when she comes out in the scene before the transformation, she won't have it tied closed, and so she'll just unsnap it when she goes upstage to do the transformation. There's some Rapunzel's wig. It's very long. Ooh, don't fall. Put a bunch of butterfly clips on it. And there we go. Milky White's taking a nap.